Advantages and disadvantages of creating a living trust. A living trust is a legal tool that allows you to manage and distribute your assets according to your wishes while avoiding probate. Whether a revocable or irrevocable trust is right for you depends on your estate planning goals. Understanding the pros and cons can help you make an informed decision. Legal aspects of a living trust. Creating a living trust in New Jersey involves legal considerations that should be carefully evaluated. A revocable living trust allows you to retain control over your assets during your lifetime and can be modified or revoked at any time. However, it does not provide asset protection from creditors. On the other hand, an irrevocable living trust requires you to relinquish control over the assets, but it may offer protection against legal claims. Transferring real estate into a trust requires proper documentation, including a new deed recorded with the county clerk. Additionally, some assets, such as retirement accounts, cannot be placed into a trust directly but can be designated as trust beneficiaries. Given the complexities involved, consulting a lawyer is crucial to ensuring that your trust aligns with state laws and your estate planning needs. Advantages of a living trust. A key benefit of a living trust is the ability to bypass probate court, allowing for a faster and more private distribution of assets. While probate in New Jersey is not as complicated as in other states, many individuals prefer the privacy and efficiency a trust offers. Another advantage is maintaining confidentiality. Unlike wills, which become part of the public record when probated, a living trust keeps financial matters private. This can be especially beneficial for individuals who wish to keep their estate details discreet. Additionally, a living trust allows for seamless management of assets in case of incapacity. If you become unable to manage your financial affairs, your designated trustee can step in without the need for court intervention, ensuring continuity in managing your estate. Disadvantages of a living trust. Despite its benefits, a living trust also has certain drawbacks. One of the most common misconceptions is that a revocable trust provides asset protection. However, since the grantor retains control over the assets, creditors can still make claims against them. Only an irrevocable trust may offer such protection, but it comes with the disadvantage of permanently giving up control over the assets. Another drawback is the cost and complexity of setting up and managing a trust. Drafting a trust document and properly transferring assets into the trust require legal and administrative work, which may involve additional expenses. Real estate transfers, for example, necessitate recording new deeds, and financial accounts must be retitled in the trust's name. Additionally, placing a home into a trust may come with its own disadvantages, such as ongoing management responsibilities and extra paperwork. While it can help avoid probate, transferring property into a trust requires retitling and may involve legal fees. Avoiding common mistakes when funding a living trust. One of the most critical steps in setting up a living trust is ensuring that all intended assets are properly transferred into it. Failing to do so can result in probate proceedings for those assets, undermining the purpose of the trust. Real estate, bank accounts, and investments should be retitled in the trust's name, and any newly acquired assets should be added to the trust as circumstances change. Errors in documentation, such as incorrect titling or incomplete paperwork, can create legal complications. In New Jersey, real estate must be explicitly transferred to the trust through proper documentation since the state does not allow transfer on death deeds. Working with an experienced attorney can help prevent these common pitfalls and ensure the trust functions as intended. Deciding whether a living trust is right for you depends on your estate planning goals and financial situation. The Matus Law Group can provide guidance on whether a revocable or irrevocable trust is the best choice for your needs. Contact us today at 732-785-4453 or visit our office at 125 Half Mile Road, number 201A, Red Bank, New Jersey, 07701, to schedule a consultation.